Hi friends, has the bear market begun or it is just the end, the last phase of bear market? We are hearing on the street that this is the beginning of the bear market. It is time to sell off, get out from the market, stop your mutual fund SIPs, take money out from mutual fund, etc. etc. But let us understand, is this a beginning of a bear market or the end of the bear market? So while understanding bull and bear cycle, euphoria is the bull market top. However, from there onwards the bear market begins, so that is a correction. But at that time no one notices because slowly and steadily market comes down, people think this is correction and they keep on buying. But suddenly when it dawns that, oh my god, we are in a bear market and prices are falling, actually that is the last part of the bear market. So how does this bear market play out? So euphoria is the top, and then there is a phase of denial, then comes pessimism, then comes panic, and the last is capitulation. So capitulation is a bear market bottom and not the beginning of the bear market bottom that is portrayed currently in the media, that this is the beginning. No, somewhere we are near the panic and capitulation. So this phase will pass on. So how do we define? So for example, demonetization low, DHFL was available at 215, and after the correction, so people say that DHFL or India Bull Housing Finance have corrected by around 50%, 60%, and worst is still to come. So let us sell off the stock. You know what was the price of DHFL when it was at demonetization 2016 low? DHFL was available at 215. Currently it is available at 275. In 2 years, still we had a 12% annualized gain in DHFL. Same with India Bull Housing Finance. The low was 600, currently maybe quoted at around 850, and still a 2-year return on an annualized basis, we have made 12% gains. So the sharp fall was due to the fact that previous 2 years we had seen a fantastic bull market in this kind of financial services or NBFC stock, because we thought that because of financial inclusion, because of economy will shift from cash to banking channel, all these companies will make great money, and therefore the stock's price had really run up. But this is a normal correction. Still prices are above their demonetization low. So as such, because stocks have fallen by around 50-60% does not make a case that still worst is going to come and let me sell off the stock. No. When this situation comes as a sectorally, when there is a particular so-called bear market raid on a particular sector, those are the really great times to make money and buy those kind of stocks, because businesses don't stop, people don't stop taking loans, real estate industry machinery is still working. So ground level reality is still going on, but it is only in the stock market wherein we have shifted from greed to fear, and fear has led to a 50-60% correction in the stock. So there is nothing new to a seasoned player. This sort of events are regular, and if you have checked history of past 20-30 years in India and internationally abroad, so these phases will keep on coming regularly. And as an investor, we need to understand that, okay, these are the times of capitulation and panics, let me go in and let me invest. So for leverage positions, I think the life is very tough for them. Based on our previous episodes and topics that we have covered in SamCast and our weekly note that we regularly published, long back we had advised our viewers and readers that it's time to get out, sell off your holdings, sell off your trading positions. We have been regularly advising our appropriately at regular times. And currently we are advising our investors, this is time to invest and not to sell, and it's time to really go in and buy. And currently the opportunities, all those panic stricken stocks which are available at 50-60% discount. So we believe housing finance companies as a model has not gone bust. Still fundamentals are intact. Valuations have come down reasonably. You need to do a SIP and be patient. You don't have to really every day watch the stock price and get goosebumps. But I think from investing perspective, these are the great times. Warren Buffett also invested in Coca-Cola and all those great companies in 1987 crash, when prices had halved around 50-60%. So currently we are in that situation too. Businesses are not going to stop, and I think that's the biggest thesis. So currently all the over sectors, so we believe even FMCG sector is overpriced, valuations were too higher, and we had regularly advised our viewers and readers to book profits, and it is possible that same kind of selling can emerge in all those high priced sectors and stocks. But NBFCs and all those private sector banks, maybe the worst is behind, and we may see some more price erosion, but still margin of safety has emerged in those category or in those stocks. Currently the previous day we saw expiry, and a lot of positions or a lot of weak hands are out from the market. And beginning this month, the result season will begin. We believe there will be slight muted results from the company, but overall I think results will be positive, and market will try and bounce back and will try and move higher. Next week we have got RBI meet, which RBI may increase interest rate by 0.25%, but that will be good in a way, because that will stop the rupee from falling, and rupee rise rally should begin, and that will be the biggest reason for stock markets to come back. So RBI rate increase would be a boon in a way, but let us see. So overall I think market panic should be the panic bottom should be made, or somewhere will be made next week, and from there onwards we believe market will rise. From trading perspective, we think leverage position should be avoided, and on delivery base buying should be done. And from long term investing perspective, so those who don't really understand, I think they should start doing ETF. They should invest in ETF on a regular basis. I think that will be a very good opportunity for making normal returns. If you have anything, please do write to us or come to our Stock Note app, and we keep on giving such type of research regularly on our Stock Note app. Thank you.